the normal cell organisms.
One of the ways original try to get around the insurmountable problems with explaining original life to a delivery of life from extra-planetary or extra. This is called Panspermia, and the idea is life didn't originate on Earth but was delivered to Earth through some transport mechanism. Those scenarios are legion, though. For example, if a bacteria is traveling throughout, be exposed to high energy radiation, its survivability short. Entry mechanism, the frictional heating for something to travel through our to on the Earth would be so that it would sterilize any kind of mechanism that would be present in that delivery vehicle. So it's very difficult to envision how life could survive that transportation, how it could survive entry to the Earth, after the Earth, huge amounts of life form. So it's a mechanism of desperation